Hi friends, welcome to Art Tutorials. Today I'm really excited to share with you this news that finally we will be on Instagram and we have created a profile on Instagram. I know a lot of you have written to me personal emails, a lot of you have guided me in the comment section as to how I can create social media profiles so that we can connect better, collaborate better, and also stay in touch so that we can help each other as a community. I look up this Instagram profile as not as my profile, but I look up to this as our community of learners, doers who will connect, and we will help each other in improving and progressing our careers. Like I said, we you can always reach out to me at surya.aradhya@gmail.com. Send me details, send me job referrals. I will help and post it on this community profile. We are a community of learners and doers, and we will try our level best to help each other to grow on this platform as well. I know a lot of you have given so much love, support, and encouragement to the YouTube channel. Thank you so much. I look forward for the same love and support on the Instagram profile as well. You can find the Instagram profile by the same name, Arc Tutorials. So please join me, follow me there, and stay up to date. If you have any news about job openings, please like, share them in the Instagram so that it reaches out to the needy person. Thank you so much again. And here is a glimpse of the channel, of the profile page. It doesn't have much post yet, but I'm sure I will add them going forward daily, at least one or two posts so that we keep growing this as well. I will look forward to connecting with each one of you on the Instagram account. So please do follow me on Instagram, and we can text each other, we can message also each other there. Thank you again so much. I look forward for your love and support again. Cheers.